Welcome to Goldwagen's Quality Tips series, where we walk you through making the best possible choice in quality parts. In this episode, we'll deal with your car's oil filter. An oil filter can be tricky to replace yourself, but not impossible. If you're comfortable with car maintenance, you might attempt this yourself, but otherwise, rather have a trained technician do this for you. Essentially, an oil filter is there to remove waste by capturing potential harmful dirt, metal fragments, and other kinds of debris, and preventing these from entering the oil supply. By doing this, the oil filter ensures that your car's engine keeps running smoothly and that not only does no dirt damage the engine, but the oil supply itself remains cleaner for longer. A well-functioning oil filter is therefore a necessary part of ensuring the longevity of your vehicle. Indications that your oil filter is not working optimally and may need replacing include low oil pressure or the oil light coming on the dashboard console. An important point to remember is that an oil filter should not only be changed at every service, but should also always be accompanied by an oil change. You can view our previous oil change video for more information on this particular point. For our demonstration vehicle, we use a 2011 Renault Sandero. Goldwagen supplies a wide range of oil filters and carries various brands like Man & Hummel, Blueprint, Bosch, Miele, Vica, Borsahang, and many more. This gives you a choice of brands and prices that will suit your needs and budget. To help Goldwagen supply you with the right oil filter for your car, all you need to do is give us your VIN number, which is located on your car's license disc. Once you've identified and purchased the correct oil filter, you can go about installing it or simply take the filter you purchased to your preferred technician. Consult your owner's manual if you're unsure where the filter is located. If the filter is located under the car, you'll need to use a jack to raise the vehicle up so you can work underneath. Be sure to follow all safety protocols before and while you jack up your vehicle, like ensuring the car is not running, the handbrake is up, and the car's gears are set to park or in first gear. You might also want to slide a stopper behind the rear tires to further prevent any slippage or rolling. Remember that you should drain the oil from the vehicle before replacing the filter. See our video on how to do an oil change for more details and instructions on how to do this. Once you've jacked your car up, you will want to set an oil collection pan or some other heat-resistant tub or bowl underneath the filter to catch up any oil that might leak out during the replacement process. Be warned, if you're doing the replacement within an hour or so after having driven the vehicle, the oil and surrounding parts might still be hot. We advise that you wait to do the replacement only once your car is sufficiently cooled down. You can now remove the filter by unscrewing it out of the housing. Normally, it's possible to unscrew the filter by hand, but sometimes you might need a socket wrench or special tool to undo the filter. Again, this depends on your particular vehicle. Be sure to remove both the oil filter and the seal. It often happens that the rubber seal gets left behind, which can make installing the new filter difficult and even potentially lead to leaking and damage. Clean the oil filter housing or casing using a clean, dry rag. Lubricate the new oil filter rubber seal with a bit of new engine oil before fitting it into place. Be sure to screw the new filter in according to the manufacturer's specifications and torque settings. There should be no gaps and the filter should fit snugly and straight into place. Just like closing a screw-on lid on a soft drink bottle, if you don't fit the filter in properly, it can lead to leaks or potential damage to the filter or casing. You can then lower your car down from the jack and you'll be good to go. It is illegal to pour motor oil down the drain. 1 liter of used motor oil can contaminate 1 million liters of water. Dispose of your oil responsibly. If all this feels a bit too much to do yourself, simply buy the correct oil filter and oil from Goldwagen and then have your local RMI-approved technician install it for you. Need help finding quality parts? Goldwagen can assist you to make the right choice. Goldwagen, quality parts for the widest range of vehicles.